It starts with a call, then it's a drive, and then it's a friend. I've been on every angle of this situation before. I've made the call, I've seen the drive, and I've been the friend. Every angle but the one I'm in right now.
How's your weekend?
A little rough around the edges. You?
Is there any other kind? We don't do things like we used to.
I don't get invited, Sammy.
Yeah. Things kind of changed, Lou. You sort of treaded water a little too long there, huh? It was a lot more fun when you were totally fucking nuts, huh? Remember that shit? You kind of fell off after your wife left you. You know that?
Maybe I should talk to someone. Let it all out. I could use a smoke, Sam.
Sure thing, pal.
Born, the nurses all gathered round, and they gazed in a wide window at the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone, bad to the bone.